to get you started with SketchUp. It is a drafting software. So if you're on a Google and you're logged into your Google account for school, you'll click the square here. If you scroll all the way down, there's SketchUp for schools, and you'll click on it. When you do that, you'll have to click on entering in by Google. It'll take a minute, and you'll have this sign in with Google. And I'll sign in with my account too. And like you can see, it might take a minute to do so. So instead of just hit start modeling, don't do that. You're going to click on curriculum, and this is going to teach you how to do this for our class. So you're going to learn how to use the Google account, and what you're going to do is scroll down until you see the one that says Sketchup for Schools Introduction right here. This is the one, Sketchup for Introduction. You're going to do it right here, and I'll teach you how to put a building around a person. So I'm going to hit Start Modeling. And you have this person like in a scout outfit, and it will teach you to use these tools around here. Like I can tell you right now, the orbit command allows you to turn and change and view stuff differently. So all you have to do here is hit play.
Welcome to the introduction for SketchUp for Schools.
And they're going to teach you all the way through until you're finally done, and you'll have a house done. And all you do is take a screenshot of your house that you made with it there, and colored it in and everything and made it a home. And then that picture, whatever one you made, you're going to upload it to me. So have fun. It's a good way to get introduced to this software. It's a really powerful software to work with.